So that's us parked up at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. It's kind of a free-for-all for parking, so it's not like Disney where they guide you. It's amazing to be here. So much history. Loving it already. So let's go. Loving the music. I need to get a picture outside of that. There's so much here. So we're going to try and get on a bus tour. It's 2 hours. Oh yes, I will definitely be shopping in there. Oh my god, there's a shuttle! Well, a shuttle fuel tank and its rocket boosters, but oh my god. So we're currently on a bus tour, heading to see the Saturn V rockets.
Ignition sequence start.
I'm gonna step off the limb now. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
We have pondered our place amongst the stars since the dawn of humankind.
These Redstone rockets were formerly ballistic missiles provided to NASA by the U.S. Army.
Well, the moon is a treasure trove of science and discovery. And so there's...
Slide. If you look over to your left at the fenced area, that is a mock-up of the Orion launch abort system. The number 1 is the emergency vehicle. Also, we have the crew access arm. That's where the astronauts would walk through. And the launch aboard rocket. To your right, the short 4-story building there with the tinted window, that is the Launch Control Center. Every launch that comes out of Kennedy Space Center is controlled by that center. Also, as we pass, if you look where the doors are open, if you go right in the middle and you see that beige area there, all the way on the bottom, you'll see 3 doors, and that's where the employees go in. Those doors are 8 feet tall. It at least shows you how tall this building really is. It takes so long to get from one place to the next. They do have a bathroom and they do have a kitchenette because they have to stop and eat or use the restroom.
When I was a kid, I used to dream about flying through space. Every week on TV, I'd watch my heroes jump into their rocket ships and took to the sky. And I wanted to be like them.
I've got no words. I've got to use the ultra-wide lens to actually see all this and get it in. If I go to the normal lens, yeah. So this is the capsule they took to the... What mission is this? Apollo 13? I'll find out in a second. Look at it though. My god. And that held 3 men.
Set foot upon the moon. It came indeed for all mankind.
With these first steps, mankind stood on the highest ground, and we saw our planet as our home port in the endless ocean of space.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving back at the Kennedy Space Center.
So now we're away from Saturn V and onto the Space Shuttle Atlantis. It doesn't sound right when I say it in my own accent. The Space Shuttle Atlantis. It's the harsh T's. Oh my god. This is actually insane. Oh my god. My mouth's just gobsmacked. It's open. The size of this thing. That was amazing. That was the Canada arm. Oh, there's Hubble. Oh my god. I've had to put it at an angle so you can see it. Oh my god, I didn't realise we were going to see Hubble. So Hubble surpassed its serviceable life. Because obviously it went wrong the first time spectacularly because it couldn't see properly, it wasn't focused. You did? We went to see that documentary in IMAX in Glasgow. I didn't even realise I had two Canada arms to manoeuvre things into position. My mind is blowing. Seeing a real space shuttle. So when you're in there, this is what happens on this side. So now the audience can see it. Because this is hidden in view. Spoiler alert, and look at that. We don't know what we're celebrating. Now we're on the ground floor. Oh, it's just amazing. I keep saying it, but it really is. So after getting back from NASA, we went to Costco, filled up petrol, tried to get my colleague some AirPods Pro 2nd Gen, and now we've actually came to the Florida Mall. After days of saying we're going to come, here we are. Cheesecake Factory. Sliders are tremendous. And obviously the cheesecake, and well, I like the chocolate cake, so might get some on the way home. It's some impressive mall here. Where we're standing just now is where they did a flash mob for Les Miserables. Anyway, catch you later.